In the bustling city of Harmonyville, there lived 4 friends who shared a common love for music. Each friend possessed a unique musical talent, but they faced a challenge: they lacked the resources to pursue their individual dreams. Undeterred, they decided to combine their strengths and create something greater than themselves. Sophie, a talented violinist, joined forces with Alex, a skilled pianist. Together, they approached Max, a versatile guitarist, and Emma, a gifted flutist. The quartet, now complete, embarked on a journey to weave a symphony of collaboration. Despite initial doubts from others, the friends practiced tirelessly in a small garage converted into a makeshift studio. Each member contributed their creativity and skill, blending their instruments into a harmonious melody that echoed through the city streets. Their dedication and passion attracted attention, and soon enough, the Symphony of Collaboration gained popularity. Invitations poured in for performances at local events and venues. The quartet's unique blend of instruments created an enchanting atmosphere, captivating audiences and leaving them yearning for more. As their fame grew, opportunities expanded. The Symphony of Collaboration was invited to perform on prestigious stages, collaborate with renowned artists, and even contribute to film soundtrack. What started as a humble collaboration transformed into a musical phenomenon that resonated far beyond Harmonyville. The story of Sophie, Alex, Max, and Emma became an inspiration to aspiring artists and a testament to the power of collaboration. It demonstrated that when individuals with diverse talents unite towards a common goal, they can create something truly extraordinary, a symphony that transcends boundaries and brings people together in the universal language of music. And so, in the heart of Harmonyville, the Symphony of Collaboration continued to enchant the world with their music, proving that the magic of collaboration could turn dreams into a symphony that echoed in the hearts of all who listened.